So for this portion, I'll be showing you guys how to plot on a map. So to begin, you will need to have your 8-digit coordinates of where you will be, where you're at and where you want to go. So to make things easier, you will need to split the coordinates in half. So when you look at a map, you'll notice that they do have a plethora of numbers on each end, the longitude and the latitude. And on the map, you do want to keep in mind of the contour lines, the streams, some major roads that will be on the map. So these smaller ones are the contour lines and the main ones are roads. Typically, they will also have houses and bridges. Sometimes they'll have electrical lines and just anything to help you visualize what is in this specific area. This is just a random map I found online. So to begin, you'll look at the number and you'll look at the first two numbers. So the first two numbers are specifically right here. So you'll look at 82 and then the following two, so 77, would be right here. So you'll be focusing on this specific box. So when you grab yourself a protractor or ruler, you'll be focusing on the centimeters. So you will want to align it with 0, and then the following two lines will be, in a sense, the how many centimeters and then little millimeter you'll be looking at. So for this one, it constitutes for 1 centimeter, and that is all. So we can easily just mark that right there. For the second one, for 77, we will turn it this way, and it says 15. So kind of imagine like a 1.5. So we'll be going 1 centimeter and a half. So this is your first point. Essentially, let's just say this is where you're at. You're right here. And for the second one, you will be doing the exact same thing. You'll kind of just split it in half and look for the 84th box, which is right here. And the second one is 78. So we will be looking at this one. This is where we want to be, or where you want to go. So same thing, you will want to put that at the 0 and look at 1.1. So a centimeter, 0.1, which would be right there. And then for the 78, just turn it. And from there, 2.1. 2.1, so up here. So from there, you will want to put and make a line going those two, because that will be your route. And this, you will want to face it north, east, south, west. So you'll want to put this roughly center, make sure 0 is facing upward. And I should just make this a little bit longer just to make it easier. Put that back right there. And this constitutes that you will be heading exactly these 58 degrees within that direction. So when you are at this location, you will want to be going 58 degrees exactly northeast.